Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's rear bumper for Chevy's 2019 to 22 Silverado. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's existing rear bumper. Step 2. Disassemble the bumper's blind spot sensor covers and brackets and install the sensors if applicable. Followed by installing your pod lights, also if applicable. Step 3. Remove your factory license plate mount and install it onto the bumper. Install your trailer connector and spare tire tube. Step 4. If you have the dual exhaust, remove this plate to allow space for it. Followed by installing the shown brackets with the included hardware. Lastly, remove the factory exhaust tubes and install them onto the bumper. Step 5. Unplug your license plate lights and with a clip remover tool, remove the wiring harness. Followed by removing their brackets. Lastly, reinstall them into the new bumper. Step 6. With the help of a friend, hold the bumper up to the frame. And secure it with the included hardware with a 21mm wrench and 18mm socket. Finally, plug in your power harness, screw on your license plate, and you're done.